Alright, so next fan we got here is a smaller Emerson 1895. This fan here features the stencil blades, pointed tip, textured white motor housing, and the appropriate length Emerson pull fob. So we'll start off with low here. It runs all right. Bearings are a little kind of rolling around in there. Sound like a rock tumbler, but it still works. Power draw is about 35 watts on low. Go to medium. So this fan came in with a few other fans as well. This is probably the coolest one of the lot, whereas I got a Riviera and another Dixie Bell, because I guess I can never have too many Dixie Bells. Medium's doing a good speed. Definitely acceptable breeze. Very nice. Power draw is about 64 watts. Let's go to high. So yeah, this fan is also powered with the KB55 motor, which is the strange half-assembled tulip flywheel rotor deal. So, very good performance. Putting out a good breeze. Total power draw is about 92 and a half. Yeah, those bearings are really crusty. Felt like they got rocks in them. Tumbling around in there. Alright. Whereas the spin down is still pretty good. So yeah, happy to finally have an Emerson in the collection. And that's quite a nice one. It was in 1895. It was well used, definitely, with all the dust that was built up on it. And funny fact, the blades were installed upside down because the stencil was facing up. So we had to fix that real quick, and that's pretty much all I did to this fan as of recording this. Very good spin down. The only 1895s that I am aware of being here were the outside variant, I guess they were, because they had plastic blades. They were all along the outside perimeter of an outside outlet mall. But those have been removed since 2004 because we had dual hurricanes that just ransacked this place pretty badly, and they never been replaced. So sorry to say that, but anyway, here's been this 1895 by Emerson from not sure when because the label has been ripped off. Oh well. See you all in the next one.